We welcome all of you here on our YouTube channel College Time. In today's video, we will be talking about Karnataka's counseling. We will give you an update about Karnataka's cutoff of round 1 and expected cutoff for round 2. We will also tell you that how much cutoff can vary till mop-up round. First, we want to apologize to the Karnataka student for our wrong prediction on cutoff. But in our defense, we can say that no one predicted such a surge in Karnataka's cutoff. Karnataka records the highest surge in cutoff from 2019 to 2020. There was an increase of almost 55 to 60 marks in cutoff, and no one in the world can predict that. We predicted it to be increasing by 35 to 40 marks, but that proved to be wrong. So we are sorry, but we are always there with Karnataka students. So here is a video in which we will tell you about all the cutoffs related information and all the updates of Karnataka's counseling. So let's start with our video. First, we want to tell you that if you want to watch a particular section of our video, then a timestamp will be there in the pinned comment. So in the first part of our video, we'll be telling you about a free course of Unacademy, and it is very special for some kind of students who are prepared well but they want to gain more marks in some high weightage topics. So this will be a perfect course for them. It is called Project Climax. It is prepared by one of the best educators of Unacademy. You all may know about Ravi Prakash sir, Pranav sir, and everyone knows Tamanna Chaudhary ma'am. She is a brilliant educator, and both Ravi Prakash sir and Pranav sir are also very good educators. So they are providing you a course which will start from 9th of December and continue till 14th December. After that also it will be available in offline form. It's a free of cost course. It will start from 9th of December from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. every day. There will be class for 3 hours where these teachers will cover all the high weightage topics of physics, chemistry, biology in a go. It will be like a one-shot videos. Here you will learn with experts, practice with experts, cover high topics with experts, and they will make you practice MCQs, PYQs and everything. This is more of a concise target course for NEET student to get high marks, to get their preparation on a different level. So we highly recommend you to check this course on Unacademy's app. It's free of cost for all the students. You can go avail this. There is no harm in joining this course because it's just of 3 hours for 4 to 6 days, and it will revise you almost all the high weightage topics. So please join it. We will provide the link of this course in our description. You can go through that link or you can go through your app also. There is no need to go through our link only. So here we want to tell you that how you can sign up on Unacademy's app so that students get help. So first you go to Play Store, search Unacademy Learning app. There you get a result where you click on the download or install button, put your number on the given, the app gets downloaded, you open it, then enter your name, email address and state of residence, then OTP, and here you have the Unacademy's page. Click on NEET UG, click on Hindi or English, whichever language you can prefer, and then you can go through the app. You will find the course, or you can search for a course named Project Climax 2.0. Okay students, so let's proceed with our video, and first we want to tell you about the revised schedule for Karnataka's MBBS counseling, mostly for the second round. So the choice filling is going on. It will continue till 10 of December till 4 p.m. and tomorrow there will be a provisional result, and then final result will also be announced. We will also tell you about the expected cutoff for round 2 and mop-up in the latter part of our video. From 12 December to 14 December you will get a chance to pay the fees. Then you have to submit the original documents at KEA Bangalore from 12 December to 14 December. After this, if you want to get any update on registration and counseling, you can go through this CET Cell online site. We will provide the link in the description. You can go through this site if you want to know any information other than our video. We have also made videos on Karnataka's counseling, Karnataka's round 1 cutoffs. If you want to go through those videos, the link will be in description for those videos also. So before telling about counseling, there are some basic things that you need to know. First, we will tell you about what kind of seats are there in Karnataka's MBBS counseling. So first, G is used for government quota seats in government medical colleges and private medical colleges where fees will be below 1 lakh. Then there is a P seat, which means private seat, where the fees will be around 9 to 10 lakh. Then there is NRI seats where the fees are almost 30 to 35 lakh per annum. And then there is an others quota seat where the fees are also as high as NRI seats, like 35 to 40 lakhs annual. Now let's know about the categories of Karnataka. So 1G means 1 general, 1H means 1 under Hyderabad Karnataka, and you can go through all the short forms. I will not be explaining everyone because that will take a lot of time. So let's proceed with our video. So for government medical colleges, the fees are around 59,850 annually. This is only the college fees. hostel fees and other kind of charges will be extra. And then for ISIC medical colleges Bangalore and Gulbarga, the fees will be around 1,09,850 annually. Now when we talk about private medical colleges, then I told you that there are 4 kind of seats in private medical college. First is the government quota seat, then there is private quota seat, then there are NRI seats, and then the others quota seats. So for government quota seats, the fees will be around 1,41,196 rupees for almost all the colleges. Then for private seat, the fees has increased from 7 lakh to 9,94,406. So from this year, the annual fees is almost 10 lakhs, but there are some exceptions like Adi Chunchungiri, Dr. Chandrama, and then Khaja Bandes, where the fees are as high as 18 lakh and 20 lakh annually. So please be informed about those because cutoff for these colleges get very low. Now the NRI fees for private medical college varies from 30 to 45 lakhs, and the same goes through the others, and the same continues with the other seat. It varies from 30 to 45 lakh annually. Now let's proceed with the seat matrix for round 2. So these are the seats which reverted back from All India quota. There are 67 seats. You can see in which categories they are distributed. Now let's see about the second round. Now let's see what are the seats remaining for second round in Karnataka's counselling. So this is the seat matrix for the seat remaining in second round counselling. So here is the seat matrix for private medical college in round 2. There are a lot of seats remaining, mostly in open category seats. So now let's talk about the thing which you came for, and that is the cutoff. So first we will talk about round 1 cutoff, the final cutoff for round 1. Then we will talk about round 2's expected cutoff, and then I will tell you that what can you expect from mop-up round. So for round 1 in government medical colleges, the cutoff for 1G category was 536, for 1R 515, for 2AG category the cutoff was 525, for 2AK 512, 2AR 519, for 2BG category the cutoff was 535, for 2BK it was 497, for 2BR category it was 530, for 3AG the cutoff was around 549, for 3AR it is 531, and for 3BG the cutoff for round 1 was 545, for 3BK it was 538, for 3BR 531, for GM category 551, GMK category 511, GMR categories 533, SCG category 436, for SCK category the cutoff was around 409, for SCR it was 415, for STG 497, and for STK category the cutoff was around 483, and for STR 488 was the cutoff for round 1. Now the cutoff for round 1 in ISIC medical colleges: for 1G 546, 1R 533, 2AG 536, 2AR 537, 2BG 538, 2BR 552, 2AR 3AR 559, 3BG 545, for GM categories 556, for GMK 542, for GMR 530, for SCG 443, SCR 455, and for STG the cutoff was around 530. So now let's proceed to private medical colleges. So the cutoff of round 1 for government quota seats in private medical colleges for GMK categories was 491, for GM it was 532, for 3BG 529, for SCK 385, and for STK it was 544. And the cutoff for GMP categories, that means the fees will be around 9 to 10 lakh. So now let's proceed to the last part of the video where we will talk about round 2 expected cutoff. I want to warn you that it is just a prediction, not the exact cutoff. So our prediction for cutoff of round 2 for government medical colleges are like: for 1G the cutoff will be around 528 to 532, for 1R it will be 510 to 515, for 2AG it will be around 516 to 522. The cutoff will not decrease drastically because there are not much seat left in Karnataka, and you can go through previous year's counselling also. Change in cutoff from round 1 to round 2 is not much. In some categories it also increases from round 1 to round 2, so the cutoff will not increase much. We have taken an average for 4 to 5 years and then calculated the cutoff for second round by matching the seat matrix of the second round. So for 2AK the cutoff will be around 508, for 2AR it will be around 515, for 2BG it will be around 526 to 530, for 2BK it will roam around 490, for 2BR it will be 525 to 528, for 3AG it will be around 525 plus, for 3AG it will be above 540, for 3AR it will be above 425, for 3BG the cutoff will be close to 540, for 3BK the cutoff will be around 535, for 3BR the cutoff will be around 525 to 530. In GMK the cutoff will be around 505 plus, for GMR it will be 525 plus, for SCG it will be around 425 to 430, for SCK the cutoff for second round should be between 400 to 410. For SCR it will be 410 plus, for STG it will be 490 plus, for STK it will be close to 480, and for STR categories the cutoff will be around 485. So yeah, this is just a prediction. Now let's move ahead to private medical colleges. So if you talk about government quota seats in private medical colleges, the cutoff for GMK will be around 480 to 490. For GM, it will be around 522 to 530. For 3BG, it will remain between 519 to 526. For SCK, it will be in between 375 to 381. And for STK, it can go as low as 448 or as high as 454. For private quota seats like GMP seats, where the fees will be around 9 to 10 lakhs, the cutoff will be around 415 to 425. I want to tell you one more thing, that Clause E student does not come under GMP categories. Now if we talk about mop-up round of Karnataka, then I just want to alert students that don't depend on mop-up rounds of Karnataka, because there are not much seat left. So yeah, cutoff can go low, but it can remain the same. And we will be making a video for mop-up round also when the result for second round comes, and we will get to know that how many seats are left for mop-up round. So as you can see that we have done a lot of hard work to make this video, to make cutoffs for each categories. No other channel make cutoffs for each categories. They make cutoff for one general, OBC or SC, but those kind of broad classifications never help students, and we narrow it down to the lowest possible. So please like the video. If you have any queries, then comment down. We will try to solve it as fast as possible. If you think we are wrong in some aspect, then please update us in comments so that we can inform the students. We are always ready to learn from you people. Also subscribe our channel, as we will be uploading more videos on Karnataka's about the new medical colleges to be started in 2021, the seat matrix for 2021, the safe score for 2021, college description for 2021 academic session. We will be also giving you updates of NEET 2020 also. So I'll request you to hit the notification bell, so whenever we put out our video, you get notified. I want to thank all of you for showing so much support to us. Jai Hind. Take care. All the best.